Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte catalytic converter failure and what can cause it. The catalytic converter helps reduce harmful emissions by turning exhaust gases into less damaging compounds. When it fails, the engine may feel sluggish, acceleration can drop, and the check engine light may turn on. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A common cause is unburned fuel entering the converter, which can overheat and damage the internal components. Engine oil or coolant leaking into the exhaust system can also contaminate the converter and reduce its effectiveness. Physical damage from road debris or impacts can crack or block the internal structure, affecting performance. Ongoing engine misfires, faulty oxygen sensors, or rich fuel mixtures can accelerate wear and lead to premature failure. Signs of a failing catalytic converter include rattling noises, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, and failed emissions tests. Solutions generally involve replacing the converter with a manufacturer-specified unit and addressing any underlying engine issues. Fixing misfires, leaks, or sensor problems helps prevent the new converter from failing again. Professional inspection is recommended to confirm failure and ensure proper installation, as the emissions system is critical for performance and legal compliance. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.